Hello everyone! Start off by putting the lace through the top as such and then make a loop and then pull the other side through it as such. For this you need to go one at a time, do one side at a time as well. Make a knot and a loop around it and then this is how it is formed. Insert the excess underneath. Next, take the lace and then pull it through the top as such. Now each layer that goes by, make 2 loops on either of the sides. Do this by pulling it through the top as such. That is, pull the eaglet through the top. Next, pull one side in and then make it a triple layer on one of the sides as such. Then make another diagonal onto the other side, bring it onto the other side and tie it up again. Bring the lace out through the top as such and then bring it from the bottom outwards by taking it underneath. Now continue to do this and then make 2 loops at the middle section of it, make a crisscross at the end. Start off by making this heart-like shape and then tie it up tightly. Do this until you reach the top and then once you do so, take it from underneath and then put it in the holes that have not yet been reached. Finally, once you reach the end of it, tie a knot and a bow out of it and this is what you should be left with. Next, we will take our rainbow color lace, put 2 of it through one side as such. Now continue to take them 2 at a time and then make a diagonal loop into it as such. For the last hole, take one of them and bring it out through the other side and tie a bow out of it. Next, we will start off by keeping these loops in either of the sides as we go on further. Now, finally, when we reach the last one, pull the lace through each of these loops and bring it through. Next, we will take the lace, pull it through the bottom first and then make a diagonal line through the top and then begin to bring it through the other side. Make it go over the diagonal line as you go by. Thank you for watching.